Kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 ni undu haurite thirikari na njira nene, undu umwe na ikuũ nyingĩ iriumana na murimu uyu. Nikurumirira hahwino mutongoria wa bururi ararutire mukana ati gutire mundu gukorwo akiamukira motungata mothe wabici-ini cia thirikari atari na mask, na gwatha ruhonge rwa borithi na maabitha kanjo gukorwo makinyabara mawatho maya.
To enhance civic responsibility, the national government and county governments have today resolved that going forward, services will not be rendered to anyone who does not abide by the Ministry of Health protocols, and in that regard, I call on the private sector to join the government in the public sensitization campaign dubbed No Mask, No Service.
Na umuthi munene wa borithi Hillary Mutyambai ni arutite mukana ati maabitha ake ni makunyitanira na kanjo kuria megukorwo making'ethanira na mundu wothe angikorwo ni arauna watho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo.
On the public service vehicles, definitely when we are violating these protocols, we'll cancel the licenses. I will not cancel the license of one vehicle in that company. Will cancel the license of all the vehicles in that company. On the private vehicles, we'll also deal with them according to the law. I may not necessarily to take these owners to the court. They are the laws when you violate the rules, and we'll consult with the NTSA the appropriate way they would like us to deal with that. Police will support this authority.
Ugikorwo ndurekira turebeko twa kuhumbira kanua na maniuru kana kwaga kurumirira mathaa ma curfew ni ugukorwo uking'ethanirwo nawe kiwatho na hatiri thaa o ciothe ona angikorwo ni kuhinga wira waku.
Police will not be closing the markets. They will not be closing the bars. They will not be closing the shops until the other authorities, they take the lead, and we'll be closely working with them, then we do the enforcement.
Mukana uyu ni wikiritwo hinya ni atongoria dini ya Gĩithĩramu gĩcũa-inĩ aria maugite ni mekwambika kambeini ya kuhinyiriria muingi gwikira mask na kurumirira mitaratara iria gathikitwo Mombatha ri gicigo kimwe kiria murimu uyu ukirukite na njira nene.
Isiwe sisi tutakuwa ni sababu ya watu wetu majumbani, ndugu zetu, wake zetu na watoto wetu na wazee kuathirika. Tujikinge sisi ili tuweze kukinga wengine, na hili ni wajibu wa kila mmoja wetu.
Thutha wa mukana wa ira ati mundu wothe ukinyitikana atari na mask agirirwo ni kuhurwo faini ya ciringi 20,000. Andu aingi kundu gutiganite ni macokereirie wikiri wa turebeko, no kuri na mburamatu matarekira mask icio, amwe ao magikira uria gutagiriire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Rĩtũrakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Foro.
No, he's not complying. He should be the last to be